Hello there. Today we're going to make a nice salad. I'm going to show you how to make one that you can make ahead, use for your dinner, use for your packed lunch. And let me show you the really fun part of it is we're going to make it in a jar. I bought these new ball storage jars. They're actually not for canning, but it's a 4-cup jar, and I thought it would be great to make a layered salad in here. And this will include cornbread and chicken and dressing, some nice fresh organic lettuce, some shredded cheese, tomato, cucumber, some chickpeas, radishes, whatever it is that you have in your refrigerator. You can even top it off with some sour cream. So won't these be great? They have a latch. You can take them and pack them in your cooler bag, or you can put it in the refrigerator, stack them up for your family members. And I don't know, I think it's a great way to get a healthy meal that you think would take too long to make. So what I'm going to do right now is wash these jars. I'm going to take roasted chicken that we just bought at Weiss's and cut out some of the white meat just to layer in these jars. And then I'm going to wash the lettuce and get some leaves ready. I'll get everything ready to assemble, and then I'll come back and show you how to put the jar together. Okay? Be right back.
Time to eat.
Oh, are you getting hungry, Rick? You know, one thing I didn't explain is this great organic lettuce that I have. It's actually living. And you can see that the roots are still on it.
Wow, that's crazy. I didn't know that.
Yeah, and you fill this with water, and you can continue to grow it in your refrigerator for a couple days. So it's nice, keeps it nice and fresh. It's a great lettuce.
It's amazing.
You can really get creative in your kitchen. See what you have that you can add to a salad or your favorite things. Some people could add avocados and guacamole and just pico de gallo already mixed. Oh my gosh, the opportunities are endless with these jars that you can make ahead. Really take advantage of them for the summer. I'm just going to cut up some of the breast meat here, because I think that makes a nice layer. Alright, we're going to fill these jars exactly the same. And the way I like to start with this cornbread recipe is to put cornbread on the bottom of the jar.
Oh,
so
yeah.
when you dig down and you get through it, you always have some nice cornbread left on the bottom of the bowl. I just break them up in a couple pieces. If you find you need to add more of anything, just cut some more and add it. But this is a great way to start the layers. Okay, got a look at that. All right. Next thing I'm going to add on top of the cornbread is some dressing. Now I used Sweet Vidalia onion dressing here. Some people like to use ranch when they use cornbread, so do whatever you like. I'm just going to drizzle some in there and keep that cornbread nice and moist. Alright, then go for it. We got the nice leaves of lettuce. So fresh. Make your layers thin because there's a lot of stuff here. Let's add some chicken on top of that. There's some chicken. Alright, then if you have something a little on the drier side, then go for something really wet next. Let's go for some tomatoes. And then some cucumbers. I chose the little variety. Miniature. They fit in the jar nicer, but you can slice all of the cucumbers you have. Some radishes. Slice them thin. We got some nice green onion. Ooh. Add a lot of flavor with that. go for some garbanzo beans, some chickpeas. You toss them in there. They'll fill in some of the cracks and it gives you some protein. All right, we're ready for a little more cornbread? Here we go. Big chunks. If you have leftover cornbread, this is a great way to use it. Or you can just get a couple muffins or make a nice big batch and make a whole batch of salads for a party or your whole family. Okay, now after the last cornbread is in here, I'm just going to press down a little bit, and then we want to fill up with the rest of the ingredients. Top it with a little cheese. I have shredded cheddar here. I will do a little more dressing. And then just split up the rest of the ingredients that you have between the number of jars that you have. Use it up. We got a little extra chicken. Oh, this is good. Go for the tomatoes. Then some cute little cukes. Little cukes. A couple more radishes for a nice red color on top. And we'll have the green onions. So when you dig in, you're going to get so many flavors in your first forkful. Press them down good, and then add some more cheese. Now on the top you could add some sour cream, or you could add some more dressing. In this case, I'm going to add some more dressing. And that's what will run down as you eat it. So, right, you can seal them up. Take a good look in there. Okay. Now, doesn't that look beautiful from the side? Take that to work for your lunch, or have them stacked up in your refrigerator for your family when they get home from work. You can have a nice healthy salad for dinner. Hope you get to try this. These nice 4-cup jars are going to be really useful if you get a couple in your house. You can do many things with this. So hope you get a chance to try that. I'll put a link in the description so you can find them easily. But try the recipe, and thanks for watching.